Good morning, the students of class 5, Modern International School, Hisua. Dear students, in earlier video, I taught you the half part of this story, but some parts are left that I am going to teach you this time. Dear students, as you know that the cricket is a very popular game and all of you are also interested to play this game. So Mr. Kane also came on the pitch of Lucknow to play the cricket. The third ball took the edge of Uncle Kane's bat and passed through the slips. It went to the third man boundary. You have seen in the match of cricket, if any batsman hits the ball, then all players are very joyful. So the players shouted lovely shot and exclaimed in joy and elderly gentleman in the pavilion. A classic late cut, the another said also, and Uncle Kate had another 4 runs to his name. That means 4 runs he had to make, then it was over, and the other batsman had to face the bowling. Dear student, so he took a run of the first ball and called for a second run. But Uncle Kane thought 1 run was more than enough. It was thought in the mind of Uncle Kane. But the other batsman also started running, so he couldn't refuse to run, and he was halfway down the pitch when a fielder hit the wicket, and there could be no doubt that time. That means there would be showed Uncle Kane was run out. Dear student, when Uncle Kane come back to the pavilion, in the sympathetic applause, the crowd to increase, to grow on the encouragement of Uncle Kane, all the people encouraged and said, not his fault, the elderly gentleman said. And other batsmen shouldn't have tried to take 2 runs. There wasn't a run there. To see the position, Uncle Kane enjoyed a heavy tiffin and he went out. He slipped out of the stadium and arranged tanga and reached the house of Aunt Emily. Dear student, it was just in time for the second lunch with Aunt Emily's family, and he presumed that the stadium Bruce Hallam has left early to catch the train to Allahabad. That means Allahabad, where he was expected to play in another charity match, because he had to also play in Allahabad another charity match. So, untimely a forceful woman. She was not a timid. She was a forceful woman. Fed Uncle Ken's for a week. Then she put him to work and the small boys' dormitory of her school. Dear student, it was several months before. That means many months before he was able to save up enough money for a ticket to Granny's place. Dear student, I would like to say at last point. But he had the satisfaction of helping the great Bruce Hallam to add 8 runs to his grand total. The scorebook of the Gomti Cricketing Association has recorded this fate for all the time that we can say that this the record of the association was very famous for the players. What you read and this story, if you have, dear student, if you have any problem, you can ask me on my phone or personal WhatsApp. Thanks.